Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, today I am in Behala, Manton, roadside nursery. You can see these are the porcelain you can buy, a porcelain or 9 o'clock or this portulaca. You can see the variations in colors, lots of color options, and you can grow easily. These are all succulent plants, and these are perennial. Once you grow it, you can get flowers years after year. You can get flowers and you can propagate easily from these broken stems. You can grow it easily. Now I tell you many plants here. This is tuberose, double petal tuberose you can see, and these are the very beautiful variety. 4 to 5 bunches up here. You can see 4 to 5 bulbs are there in one bunch, and they are selling around 20 rupees. And earlier I've shown the portulaca that one bunch is 5 rupees only. Here I can show you some of the cosmos, the regular cosmos of summer variety cosmos. You can get beautiful flowers. One bunch is only rupees 5. And here I can show some of these vegetable plants, chili plants, 5 rupees each bunch, around 5 plants, 6 to 7 inch tall. And here the brinjal or eggplant, 3 plants here, 5 rupees only. And you can get beautiful flowering plants as well as foliage plants and some of the flowering plants. Here the coxcomb plant, 5 rupees only packet. Here some of the gomfarena. Yeah, this is the beautiful plant for summer plant, very hardy plant. 5 rupees each packet, 5 plants in 5 rupees only. And here you can see lots of other sunflower mini around 8 inch height plants, 5 rupees per bunch, 5 plants, and you can get hundreds of flowers. This is balsam. Balsam you can grow in summer months, and in some all the rainy season you can get flowers here. Balsam or dupati, 5 rupees each, and 5 plants are here, seedlings are here. And you can get, this is the some of the gilardia is the one of the finest for summer plants. And petunia, this is the summer petunia. You can get beautiful flowers in summer petunia, 5 rupees only, and very cheap. You can see summer marigold, and this is 5 rupees each. This is in 1 inch pot, and plants is around 5 inch tall plants you can get. And some of the vinca also you can get 5 rupees. And some of this bitter gourd also, bitter gourd or pumpkin you can get plants here, bitter gourd and pumpkin. So you can get some vines also, some creepers, vines also. And if you want, you can get kochia jhau. Kochia is also available here. It's a big size kochia. You can get 10 rupees each in a small grow bag, 3 inch grow bag kochia. You can get only in 10 rupees. So these are the plants you can get in Behala, Manton. This is the roadside nursery, and just opposite to Tanish showroom in front of the Narayana Hospital. You can get in the Diamond Harbour Road these kinds of plants, many the permanent plants and pots also, some fertilizers, some manures you can get here. And you can see the stocks here. So you have to visit here physically. They don't sell online, and you can get every kind of flowering plants, vegetable plants, and every kinds of. This is the vinca you can see, big size vinca, around 10 rupees already flowering. So this is a hybrid vinca. So I am buying some of this here plant, the tuberose plant, double variety. So if you want, you can get some permanent plants, hibiscus, some crocandra, different types of gardenia you can get here. Australian variety of gardenia you can get here. So this is the all for summer plants, especially in the April month or May month. You can get here flowering plants, foliage plants here. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.